This is gonna be my new Xbox unboxing, because I broke my other one. As you guys probably saw, I threw it out my window. So it just came in today, so I gotta try it. Oh, fuck. Would that work? Alarm clock? Nope. Let me find the stand. Oh, fuck. It's all going bad. That's basically fucking bad. Cunt. Let's get a fucking plum as the holder. Oh no, it worked. Okay, good. I don't care if I'm not wearing clothes. Oh, fuck. Why does nothing ever go my way? Okay, fuck, it's out of the box, whatever. Unbox this fucking fucker. Here, let's get an angle on it. Ooh. Nice. I'm guessing that's all the cords and shit. Fucking fucker. Fuck off, styrofoam. Fucking retard. Oh shit. Why is that so heavy? There it is. Looks like a fucking pizza. Fuck, I wish. Oh fuck. I nearly just dropped it off of my bed. That would have been kind of funny, but it would have sucked at the same time. Fucking fucker. Brand new. Fancy. I'm gonna cut until we get it on. It is on. Gotta turn my TV on. My remote. Yeah. Turn the remote on. Oh yeah, I gotta fucking calibrate and stuff. HDMI 1. Calibrations for these. Let's go. What's that? Ouch, my fucking head. Oh, gotta click A. It's like English. Which one's yours? Ooh, Sage come. This. You know what? I'm just gonna cut it back. There's a lot of steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 steps. Ooh, goody, I'm connected. Where's my remote? It is. Hold on a sec. Okay. Okay. Holy fuck, it's been more than a sec. Let's go. I don't live in the United States. I live in fucking Canada. The land of the cold. It is time to update. Swear to God, if it's like... fuck. It's gonna take tons of minutes. Can you see this shit? That 0%, 1%. Can't go cut until it finishes.